Here's a surprising truth. The secret to a younger looking you might be hidden in your next meal. What if I told you that the key to reversing the signs of aging could be as simple as what you put on your plate? Aging doesn't just show up as wrinkles or sagging skin. It starts from within, impacting your entire body. The good news is that you can fight back with the right foods. By incorporating specific superfoods into your diet, you can help rejuvenate your skin, maintain its elasticity, and even slow down the aging process. These 5 incredible foods aren't just tasty additions to your meals, they offer powerful benefits that work to restore your skin's youthful glow and enhance your overall health. From reducing wrinkles to improving hydration, the right diet can transform how you look and feel. Discover how these superfoods can become your allies in the battle against aging and help you achieve a vibrant, youthful appearance. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation in the body. This is particularly important for skin health because oxidative stress can lead to premature aging and damage to skin cells. The antioxidants in blueberries, such as vitamin C and anthocyanins, help protect the skin from harmful free radicals and support collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Adding blueberries to your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them fresh, add them to smoothies, or sprinkle them on your cereal. Regular consumption of blueberries can contribute to a radiant complexion and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By fighting oxidative stress, these tiny berries work tirelessly to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients that do wonders for your skin. At the heart of their skin-loving benefits are healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These fats are like a drink of water for your skin, helping it retain moisture and stay supple. Dry, flaky skin is often a sign of dehydration, but avocados can help counteract that by plumping up your skin from within. Beyond hydration, avocados are a treasure trove of vitamins. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, acts as a shield, protecting your skin from harmful free radicals that can accelerate aging. Vitamin C, another superstar nutrient, plays a crucial role in collagen production, the protein that gives your skin its firmness and elasticity. So when you enjoy that creamy avocado, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're also giving your skin a double dose of protection and repair. Whether you prefer avocados in your morning toast, a refreshing salad, or a thick and creamy smoothie, incorporating them into your diet regularly can make a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance. Over time, you'll likely see improvements in skin texture, tone, and overall radiance. It's a delicious way to nourish your body and achieve a youthful glow. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon isn't just delicious, it's a true skin superfood. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, these healthy fats are like a protective shield for your skin. They help keep your skin's moisture locked in and prevent it from drying out. Plus, they calm down any redness or inflammation, giving your skin a healthier glow. But that's not all. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, a special kind of antioxidant that acts like a superhero against sun damage. It helps protect your skin from those harmful rays that can cause wrinkles and age spots. To see the best results, aim to eat salmon a couple of times a week. Whether you grill it, bake it, or smoke it, you're giving your skin a fantastic treat. By enjoying this tasty fish, you're nourishing your skin from within and helping it look its best. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is often underestimated, but this leafy green is a secret weapon for healthy skin. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that work together to keep your skin looking its best. Vitamin A, for example, helps repair skin cells and gives your complexion a smoother look. Vitamin K is another star player, helping to reduce any under-eye darkness and improve skin tone. But the benefits don't stop there. Spinach also contains a good dose of folate, a nutrient that helps your skin cells renew themselves. This means fresher, younger-looking skin over time. And let's not forget about the fiber in spinach. It aids in digestion, which can indirectly benefit your skin by helping to keep things running smoothly. Incorporating spinach into your diet is easy. You can toss it into salads, blend it into smoothies, or sauté it as a side dish. By making spinach a regular part of your meal plan, you're giving your skin the support it needs to look its best. Number 5. Walnuts. For a delicious way to support your skin's health, look no further than walnuts. These nuts are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain skin hydration and elasticity. But their benefits don't stop there. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds are crucial for protecting your skin from oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals and supports the skin's natural repair mechanisms. Incorporating walnuts into your diet is both easy and versatile. You can enjoy them as a snack, add them to salads, or use them in baking to boost flavor and texture. Regularly consuming walnuts helps nourish your skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promote a youthful, glowing complexion. By including these nutrient-packed nuts in your diet, you contribute to your skin's overall health and vitality. Outro. Now that you know the secrets of these 5 incredible foods for youthful skin, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Incorporating blueberries, avocados, salmon, spinach, and walnuts into your daily diet can make a noticeable difference in how you look and feel. These nutrient-rich superfoods offer powerful benefits that help fight aging, enhance your skin's health, and give you a vibrant, youthful glow. But we want to hear from you. Which of these amazing foods are you most excited to try? Have you already incorporated any of them into your diet? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.